Hi there, this is Dr. John Whitcomb reviewing Robert Lustig's book Metabolical and his 8 problems of processed foods. And I want to try to put this in plain English so you can understand his problem number 2, oxidative stress. You may not understand what oxidative stress is, so let me just practice the language on you and see if you can then explain this to somebody else. Processed food is very refined. It's by processing, I mean literally taking the fiber off the outside of wheat so that it no longer has the protection from digestion that fiber encases wheat in, and then turning the wheat grain into talcum powder so that the enzymes in your stomach can instantly get to it. So now you have a hamburger bun made from wheat flour that's incredibly easy to digest. So it makes your blood sugar go up quickly. That's what processing does. Your blood sugar goes up too fast and it floods your mitochondria with too much energy too quickly. And then you're sitting on the couch watching television, so you're not exercising. Your mitochondria work better when they've got some place for the electrons that they're working with, have some place to go. It's almost like a slide at the playground. Children do better if there's nobody else on the slide. The electron transport chain likes a clean slide with a downhill slant to it. That means you've emptied things out. The oxidative stress is when everything is jammed up with too much stuff to digest and you haven't emptied things out. If you don't use up the ATP energy, if you don't use up energy, then you're sort of backed up. It's as though you have a flooded engine and you pour more gasoline into the gas tank. That doesn't help your flooded engine. Electrons are handled efficiently if the tank at the bottom is empty. But if your mitochondria and your electron transport chain are full of energy that's arrived too quickly, the electron transport chain loses an electron and they spill out 2% or so. And that's a problem. That NADH tries to gobble it up, but you change the ratio of NAD to NADH and NAD to NADP to NADPH, and those ratios are incredibly important ratios. They change the redox potential of your cell. Your body makes NOx proteins to say, let's kick this electron out of here. We got to get this hot potato, we got to get rid of it. And whoosh, you put it out of your cell and you make hydrogen peroxide. Get it outside the cell, NOx proteins make hydrogen peroxide, got it out of it, we're safe. Well, you're not safe. Now you got hydrogen peroxide floating around in your blood. And that hydrogen peroxide looks around, that's another hot potato. And it looks around for something it can use up. And it can damage lipid membranes. And peroxidation on the surface of a membrane of a cell is a signal for your body's immune system to say, this is an old dying cell that can't take care of itself. Let's kill it off. That's the problem with oxidative stress. You start putting labels of aging on your cells. Now, in your brain, you have plasmalogen fats that have a very precious vinyl ether bond right on the surface that will gobble up that hydrogen peroxide, but you lose the plasmalogen molecule. Oxidative stress is tied directly to Alzheimer's, because as you deplete your plasmalogen supply, your brain's going to get in trouble. So simply put, oxidative stress is too many calories arriving too quickly without exercise. You can fix it by A, exercising, B, spending a longer period of time between meals so that you get hungry, and C, by not eating so much, and maybe D, by saying, in fact, Lustig says this is the whole story. The more complex whole foods you eat, the slower the calories arrive into your blood. The less processed, the more whole foods they are, the slower the calories get into your blood. That's the cure to oxidative stress. It's pretty simple. That's why when you sit on the couch for 3 hours watching TV, you stand up and you feel pretty stiff. You are. Everything is tagged, and you're burning up. This is Dr. John Whitcomb. Robert Lustig's book, Metabolical, is a genius production. Read it.